To customize EveryDollar budgeting, start by logging into your account and navigating to the budgeting dashboard. From here, you can view your income and expenses and begin making adjustments to create a personalized budget. First, set your income by clicking on the Income tab and entering your monthly earnings. You can also add multiple income sources if you have more than one job or receive income from other areas. Next, create categories for your expenses by clicking on the Add Category button. EveryDollar allows you to customize your categories, so you can create ones that fit your specific needs, such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. Assign a budget amount to each category based on your historical spending, financial goals, and priorities. For example, if you want to save money on groceries, you can set a lower budget amount for the food category. EveryDollar also allows you to set goals, such as paying off debt or building an emergency fund. To set a goal, click on the Goals tab and select the type of goal you want to achieve. Then, enter the amount you want to save and the deadline for achieving your goal. To track your progress, link your bank accounts to EveryDollar, which will automatically import your transactions and categorize them. You can also manually add transactions if you have cash expenses or other income that is not automatically tracked. As you use EveryDollar, regularly review your budget and make adjustments as needed. You can also use the app to track your spending and stay on top of your finances. By following these steps and customizing EveryDollar to fit your needs, you can create a personalized budget that helps you achieve your financial goals. It is also important to note that EveryDollar is a zero-based budgeting system, which means that every dollar of your income is assigned to a specific category or goal. This approach helps you prioritize your spending and make sure that you are using your money in a way that aligns with your values and goals. By taking the time to customize EveryDollar and regularly review your budget, you can take control of your finances and make progress towards achieving your financial goals.